I could tell you about something that has been used for hundreds of years that is so beneficial for your health, that it would boost your immunity, it's healthy for your organs, has all the antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidant, all of those things that are so healthy for you. Would you want to know about it? In this video, I'm going to tell you about Astragalus. I will share 15 benefits. I will tell you what forms it comes in, recommended dosages, what I use, but you have to stay around for the end because you need to hear about anything that you have to watch out for. I'll be right back. My name is Deb Day and welcome back to the channel. If you're currently using Astragalus, please let me know. I would love to know how you're using it, what form you're using it in, how you like the benefits. So drop me a comment below and let us all know. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Join our community. Click the little bell so you get notified when the next video comes out. Astragalus is another adaptogen that helps protect our bodies against mental, physical, or emotional stress. For hundreds of years, Astragalus has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to support the immune system, energy, and gastrointestinal health. To this day, it continues to be one of the most popular herbs in traditional Chinese medicine. It has also received a lot of scientific attention as more and more studies are being done to see just how beneficial it is and to see how effective it can be. So let's move on to the benefits. Anemia. An early study suggested that Astragalus may help improve blood counts in people with aplastic anemia, also known as bone marrow dysplasia. The next one is for cold and influenza. It was used in traditional Chinese medicine as part of an herbal combination to prevent colds and flu. Next, diabetes. It lowers blood sugar levels after fasting and after meals when taken for several months, and is part of the diabetes management treatment plan in China. Then we have the benefit to our immune system because it increases our white blood cell count. Next is cancer treatments because it helps reduce the fatigue and lack of appetite from chemotherapy. It is also beneficial for heart health because it may lower cholesterol levels and improve heart function and may help reduce symptoms of myocarditis, I'm not sure I'm saying that right, which is inflammation in the heart muscle. Moving on to hepatitis. A few studies have shown that a combination of herbs, including Astragalus, will help to treat hepatitis. Then we have kidney disease. Preliminary research has shown that Astragalus may help protect the kidneys and may help kidney disease. And then there's seasonal allergies. Astragalus can be used to help reduce the symptoms of allergy reactions like hay fever and rhinitis. So using it twice a day just might help that runny nose and sneezing. And the other thing about the cancer benefits is that studies have shown that Astragalus may have anti-tumor effects, specifically against melanoma and leukemia. So let's move on to the next one. As I've mentioned earlier, it's antibacterial, antiviral, and an antioxidant. And next, it's a mild diuretic. So it helps rid your body of that excess fluid. The nice thing that it also does is that it helps to stimulate organs like spleen, liver, lungs, our circulatory system, our urinary system, and is also used to treat osteoarthritis, asthma, and nervous conditions. And finally, topically, Astragalus is used to help treat burns. So what form can you get Astragalus in? It comes as a tincture. It can come as a capsule or a tablet. If you're in a hospital setting, you might even find that it might be injected topically for the skin. So how do I use Astragalus? Let's have a look. It is a single serving. It comes as an elixir. It's actually a kombucha drink, so don't shake the bottle before you open it. I keep mine in the fridge so it's nice and chilled when I go to have it. So let's test the flavor. It is so good. And the interesting and intriguing thing about it is it has the flavor of rose petals. So here are some of the things that you might want to know for side effects. If you are pregnant, you probably should not use Astragalus root. very high doses of astragalus, and we'll get to the dosing in just a moment, very high doses of astragalus may suppress your immune system. So if you are currently under a doctor's advice and taking immunosuppressant drugs, you probably should check with your doctor first to ensure that what you're thinking of taking for astragalus won't interfere with whatever prescriptions or treatments in his treatment plan that he has for you. All right, so let's get on to what is a healthy dose. So these suggestions for the healthy doses comes from the University of Maryland Medical Center. They suggest taking 250 to 500 milligrams of standardized extract 3 to 4 times daily. So what does that really look like? A 1-to-1 fluid extract of 2 to 4 milliliters can be taken 3 times per day. And don't worry if you miss some of these numbers. I will put them all in the description below so that you can go in and have a look at them, copy, cut them, paste them, whatever you need to do if you wanted to have it with you. A 3 to 5 milliliter of a 1 to 5 tincture can be taken 3 times per day. A tea containing 6 to 12 grams of dried root in 12 ounces of water can be used 3 times a day. 500 to 1,000 milligrams of a powdered root can be taken 3 to 4 times a day. Use a 10% astragalus topical ointment as directed by your physician. As you saw in the video, the adaptogen elixir that I use, I guess that's the best way to see it, the dosage on this, and you can use this daily, is a 1.69 fluid ounce or 50 milliliters. And astragalus is not the only component that's in this. This is, as I said, a kombucha drink, and there are other ingredients in it as well. So how do you use astragalus? How does it help you? What are the benefits that you're seeing from using? How do you incorporate it into your day? Please let us know in the comments below so that your answers can help the other members in this community. Because all of these tips can help us reach our goal of being the healthiest version of ourselves possible and living one kick-ass life. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.